guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. This video is going to show you how to attach your stamps so that you only have to punch one time, or stamp one time and punch one time. Okay, so I'm going to take the images off my block so that you can see how to do it. We're going to start out by taking a piece of Whisper White cardstock and we're going to punch that out. This is my template, okay? So I'm going to lay the template flat down on my surface here. I'm going to turn my image right side down, okay? So that means the image that you're stamping, that goes down right into the hole that you just punched, okay? And if you don't line it up exact, then it's not going to work. So you want to make sure that you get it exactly. And because the image is a little sticky, it can stick to your finger and then pull it back up. You can use your take your pick tool or whatever to kind of hold it down. So now I'm going to take one of the arms, okay, and then the second one. This is the most challenging part right here, is just this one. So again, the side that faces the block is facing me. Right sides are facing down. So then I'm going to take my block and then pick it up. Now, let's stamp it. So I've got my Whisper White cardstock here. I'm going to stamp it with Memento ink. And then we're going to cut it out. So if they don't cut out properly, that just means that you didn't place it exactly on the template straight. So you might want to play with it a little bit. Looks like one of my arms is off, or the arms are off. So for my template, I needed to make sure that I placed those arms in there a little bit better. But I think you understand now, right? Okay, if you need anything, let me know. Have a great day. Bye.